Welcome to the Low Back Pain Maintenance Program. We're going to begin with Day A. The first thing we're going to do is a pelvic tilt. For this, you want to rotate your hips all the way forward and all the way back. And to find pelvic neutral, you want to find that middle point, tighten your core, and hold that. The next thing we're going to do is single knee to chest. You want to start in that pelvic neutral position that we just found and bring one knee to your chest at a time. Next, you want to again find that pelvic neutral position and bring both knees to your chest. Next, we're going to be doing a glute bridge with adduction. For this, you can use a squishy ball or a towel or a pillow. You're going to fold it up and place that right between your knees with your back flat on the table and your knees bent and your feet flat on the table as well. You're going to tighten your core and your glutes and lift up and hold while squeezing at your knees. Moving on to Day B. The first exercise we're going to do is bird dogs. For this, you're going to begin on all fours and you're going to lift up your opposite leg while lifting up the opposite arm and switch back and forth. Next, we have clamshells. You want to do this first without a band. You want your knees to be directly stacked on top of each other as your hips and your ankles. If this is easy, you can progress to putting the band right below your knees, and you want to make sure you do this on both sides. Cat-cow should be done on all fours, making sure that your hips stay directly above your knees and that your shoulders stay directly above your hands. For this, you want to start by rounding your back all the way as far as you can to the sky, followed by reaching your belly button to the table. Child's pose is going to begin similar to cat-cow, rounding your back all the way to the sky and then sitting back onto your heels. For this, you want to reach your hands out as far as you can, and then you can move them from side to side to feel the stretch. Moving on to some stretches. First, we're going to begin with the hamstring stretch. You want your feet to be together and your knees to be straight, and you're going to reach down as far as you can. For figure 4, there are a few options. The first one being sitting with your bottom leg straight. You want your ankle to be on your knee, crossed, and for overpressure, push on the outside of your crossed leg. To progress this, you can bend your bottom leg and then continue doing overpressure on the outside leg. Progressing from seating, you can stand up and do it, again placing your ankle onto your knee and then squatting into the stretch. For the side bending stretch, you're going to start standing, cross one leg over the other, and be near an object where you can hold on and bend to the side. For the seated butterfly stretch, you want to bring your feet together and bring them in as close as you can to your body. And to feel more of a stretch, you can push on the inside of your knees, pushing them down, or use your elbows. For prone back extension, it's important first to start on your elbows while laying on your stomach. And if you don't feel enough of a stretch here, you can progress onto your hands, lifting all the way up.